Hello. So we had a notable shift with respect to the risk appetite in the market in the last week of June, as we had a de-escalation with respect to geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, alongside market anticipation for near-term resolution with respect to U.S. trade and tariff negotiations. So with that, we had the Nasdaq and the tech sector generally lead notable breakouts towards record highs across major indices across the globe between Asian markets, European markets, and the U.S. markets. Now we still have the Dow needing a bit more of 1,000 points to reach its record highs, but we can see the S&P and the Nasdaq closing above their record highs. Now, with respect to the tech rally, looking at the Nasdaq chart, it is currently trading slightly below a key resistance level near the 22,700 level, and we can see also that the daily RSI is also hovering near overbought levels last seen in December 2024, which is opening the way for potential correction for a momentum recharge on the horizon before that primary trend can continue unfolding. Now, from the upside, if we do have a clean close above 22,700, we can be projecting further gains towards the 23,000 level. Another key level I have inside is 23,800. From the downside, if you're going to be proceeding with a correction, if you do have a clean close back below 22,200, which was the previous record high of 2025, then we might have a deeper pullback, possibly back towards the 21,300 level or the 21,000 barrier for a recharge before we can proceed alongside the primary uptrend back towards new record highs on Nasdaq and in the tech sector. Now, with respect to the gold chart, it is currently in a remarkable pullback mode as we had the risk appetite shift towards the equities market and not much towards the haven demand as we're entering the summer season. And we currently saw also gold close below a key trend line that connected the consecutive higher lows across 2025, which is amplifying a bit of a bearish sentiment or potential pullback on the horizon. Now, key support levels I'm looking for the gold chart here are the 3,200. A clean hold below that can possibly extend gold drawdowns towards 3,100, 3,000, and a key level which has a wide market consensus for potential buy the dip opportunity on the gold chart, which is a 2,800 level for a long-term positioning, possibly back towards the records. Now, from the upside, if gold does manage to resurface back above that trend line or possibly back above the 3,300 mark, we can possibly expect potential challenges or resistance levels back near 3,400, 430, and of course the 3,500 mark, where if we do manage to close above that, we can possibly see an extended gold rally back towards the 4,000 level.